हिंदी ओके। आज 6 लोग राजस्थान के చెందినటువంటి 6 लोग शटल लिफ्टिंग केस में अरेस्ट हुआ। इस बारे में बोले तो कल मंडे last Monday one case was reported in the Sultan Bazar PS stating that some unknown offenders lifted their shutter and theft of 9 lakhs rupees from his shop. Based on the information, we registered a case crime number 174 of 2005 under HB house break and theft. Based on this report, we investigated the case and apprehended 6 persons who are belongs to the Rajasthan state and recovered 8 lakhs rupees and 6 cell phones. ओके इसमें 6 लोग से अलग अलग पुलिस स्टेशन में 4 केसेस एंड A3 में 18 केसेस रिपोर्ट हुआ। We are arrested today all these 6 persons and remanding today to the court.
Which shop में चोरी करे?
Mobile shop. Previously, if you refer, one case reported in Naupada police station of Thane district in Maharashtra, where these people were done a shuttle lifting and theft of 5.7 crores worth jewelry from the jewelry shop, where this Pune police arrested them and remanded, but they came on the bail and did again this offense in the Hyderabad.
శివ వచ్చిన శివ కిషోర్ కిషోర్
ఇచ్చాడు। 9 లక్షలకు మనం 8 లక్షలు క్యాష్ సీజ్ చేసినాం। మిగతా 1 lakh కూడా వీళ్ళు ఖర్చులకి ఖర్చు చేసేసారు।